Oh crap, I'm late! Oh, I'm always late. I'm always late.
So that class we're talking about eating healthy. We got fruits like apples and bananas, vegetables like broccoli and carrot. Alright, crazy Mr. Jackson, come in to top of the class. Go take a vacation to your seat. It's free.
Okay.
If I was really interrupted by Mr. Jackson, I was also going to talk about drinks that keep you healthy. Anyone knows any drinks that keep you healthy and hydrated?
Water, sir.
Good. Is there any other drinks?
Yeah, drink your spit and close your mouth.
Anyways.
What the heck? Where's everybody at? There's my shoe. Hey, what's going on?
Calm down. Do you know who you are, Stuart?
No, I was just in class. I was sleeping and then.
I'm going to tell you what you are. This is a parallel universe. And in this universe, people are trashing the inside, not the outside. As opposed to your universe, where people are trashing the outside and not the inside. It doesn't make any sense. But there's hope.
How? What can we do?
Pick up the trash. And we must drink more water. Including you, Mr. Stewart. Clean your room, drink more water, eat more healthy. Fruits and vegetables.
How do you...
Let's go.
How do you know my name?
So, do you remember what we must do?
Yeah, take out the trash.
Yes, you hold the trash bag, I get the trash, and I also hand out the weapons which make up 75% of your body. Water. You got it?
What if?
What if? If you keep thinking what if, you'll never be the change you want to see in your community. Pick up the trash, Stuart, even in your real universe. Let's go.
Hey. What if we... No! What are you doing? Are you wasting this water? You know this is 75% of your body. You need this. Take it and drink it.
Okay, man.
Mr. Jackson learned something today? Must be some parallel universe.
Parallel universe? No, I don't want to talk about it.